Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get the reply option on Instagram. So when you open your Instagram app, as you can see on your screen right now, and tap on that messenger icon at the top right corner, so let's go on chat. For example, I want to go this one. And if you tap and hold the message, you will find the reply option right here, as you can see. But if you notice that it was missing on your chat, well, let's try to fix that issue. So first, you need to update your Instagram. So that's the one thing that you need to go first. So open up your Play Store. So let's go back to home screen and then go to Play Store app. And then here on search box, you need to try to search for Instagram app. Then if you find this update button right here, you just want to tap this update so your application will up to date. And you can now go back to the chat and see if the reply option is okay right now. So let's going back to Instagram right here. Go to the main page or home page, then go to profile icon at the bottom right corner. And then here on profile page, tap on the three lines at the top right corner, then tap on settings and privacy. Now under the settings and privacy, you just go right here, scroll down until you find the report a problem or help. So tap that one, then report a problem. Then go right there. So then tap report a problem without shaking. So tap this one until you go to this option. So let's find out. So here, would you like to include complete logs and diagnostics? So right here, you can actually take a screenshot of that problem, or you can describe, for example, this one. Hello Instagram team, my reply option is missing. I already updated my app but still missing. Please fix this issue. Thank you. So once you've done, you can now tap on send and wait for a few days until the Instagram team reply you on this issue. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please consider to like to this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.